hold it, Getty. Ready? Leave the bloody study door open, all right?
Sorry, love. All right. All right. Now the study door's open again. What's going on? Knocking. Upstairs. Oh my God! There's something in the airing cupboard. Oh, it's you.
Of course it's me. You put me in here, in the dark with all the black sheets and things.
But darling, why did you lock the door?
Why did I lock the door? Why did you lock the door?
I didn't lock the door.
Someone locked the door.
Anyway, we can't stand here like this.
Like what?
In your underwear.
Okay, I'll take it off.
In here, in here.